Gotta get a good throw this time. That's it. Will you make sure I don't tangle up as I pull that up, please? There it is. Shen would climb up in there, no doubt. Hold on, Jinxie. I'm coming, Jinx. Okay, Jinx, I'm about to come up, bud. Wait for me, buddy. All right, I'm going up. Hold on, kitty. All right, here we go. Hold on, kitty. Hold on, kitty. It's okay, buddy. I'm coming to help you. I'm coming to help you, Jinx. It's okay, kitty. Don't jump. Don't jump, buddy. Come here, kitty. Yeah, you're gonna have to get it over that bush. He's gonna jump toward that tree if he jumps. Come here, kitty. Come here. Come here, kitty. Come on, kitty. It's okay. It's okay, kitty. It's okay. Come here. Come on. Come on to me. That's good. Good boy. Come here, kitty. Come on. Come on, kitty. Come on. Come on, Jinx. I'll clear a path for you to come right to me, okay? Come on. Do you have any food down there? I think he might come to me if I had something that made it worth his while. If I go after him, I know he's going to jump. He's right on the edge of coming to me. Do I have something that you want? I'm gonna drop this hammer, okay? Headache. And you're free to pull that rope down when we're done here. Oh, you can leave it up there for now if you want. Okay, cool. All right, Jinx, I'm coming out there again. Come on, kitty. Yeah, he's interested in me. That's a good sign. Okay, now I've got something for you now that I can stay over here for a second. That's good, huh? That's delicious, isn't it? Here, Jinx. Come here. A little closer. Come on. Here, kitty. Come on. Come on. I can't reach you yet. Look, Jinx. Here, buddy. Oh, good boy. Come get the turkey. It's okay, don't run away. Come on, Jinxie. I can't get my hand on his nape yet. Come on, buddy. Hold on. Hold on. I've got to get you in a bag, buddy. Aren't you, bud? Yeah, that's right. He's in the bag. Woo! I thought he was going to jump. Hold on, buddy. We're going to get you down. Hold on, big fella. Probably gonna want to take him inside.
Yeah, Jess, you want to get him?